Edo State Governor Senator Mandi Okpebholo don tok say im administration dey committed to create an enabling environment wey go attract foreign investors enter the state. The governor tok dis one for one walking tour visit for Runtang Industrial Park on Monday for Utesi community, Benin City, Edo State.
Forgive us guidance and take a look at what we produce, what we contribute to the local community as well as the local economy. And we'd like to use support and help us as always, as other governors, what they do. And we really appreciate all your support, help, and we will contribute more on the way ahead.
They have really done well in terms of development and contribution to our economy. They are giving employment to our people. This is the most important thing. And also, I believe that with area of collaboration, we will collaborate with them, we will do business with them, we will bring them into our fold. They are already here. Anything they want from us, even if they need more land for expansion, we will give it to them. I'm telling you, because these guys are doing what I like. They are doing well. They are employing people. Look at every young man you are seeing around, they are all Nigerians and they are Edo citizens. So this is what matters.
The managing director of the company, Unhang Shimbi, carry the governor and entourage round the different sectors for the company. Governor Okpebholo come talk say he happy wella with wetin he see for the company and he go support them to make sure say the environment dey good for them to grow. Oga Governor Costi talk say the company don't do well for development and wetin them they do to contribute to the economy. Say them they give jobs to the people and that one are the most important thing for them. Ekonyan say them go partner with the company, bring them into their plan and see how them go fit work together for the benefit of Edo people.
Well, we have gone to about 4 major factories. One is the ceramic tile, the glass, and also the aluminium. This is the MDS, the plywood section. They are all fantastic. I can see in this place, we have over 10,000 employees working in here. This is a welcome development to Edo State and Nigeria as a whole. For me, this is hooking into Mr. President development agenda, which is his initiative. And these people have brought China to Nigeria, and everything is moving well here. Instead of importing from China, you buy from here. So this is exactly what we want. We want more Chinese to come in and invest here. I want other investors to come into the country and invest here.
The managing director of Runtang Industrial Park, Unhang Shimbi, earlier thanked the governor for the tour and come back for more support from the government. Say if they get more support, then go fit do more.
Our factory is the largest one, the most largest one MDF company in Africa. Every day we can produce more than 30,000 pieces MDF, high quality MDF. They use the waste material like wood, like this sawdust, everything they waste in the forest. They use to produce high quality plywood. And before, our capacity is only 30%. But just because of our quality, now don't need Nigeria more than 80%. The market. They start to like it. They say local plywood is the best. And the next time, we will try to produce more quality material. We plan to produce a particle board in the next year. We try to stop all the importers to import something low quality material to enter Nigeria. For this, I like Mr. Governor to support us.
Governor Okpebholo constantly talk say,
I'm so delighted when I look at the investment in this land and I look at how serious the seriousness in your company. I feel very, very honored that this is happening in Edo State. Well, first of all, I've gone around your factory, I've seen for myself, and I'm happy with what I've seen. Above all, you have also contributed to the employment of our citizens. To me, that is the most important thing. I'm really grateful for your investment, and I pray that you help us to bring more investors into our land. We will support you with whichever way you want us to support you, either to support you by providing you with land or security, anything at all we can support you. We are ready to partner with you for progress. We are ready to partner with you for expansion. And I also appeal that you should also take some of our people into your management team, which is also very key. I know you're already doing your corporate responsibility. I can see pictures, you can see schools, you can see road. So I really appreciate you. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.